Hey guys, I'm Kyle and we're in the drafting room here at Obsessed Garage talking about Sonic cabinets. So this is the Sonic Tools MSS Plus 360 millimeter right door cabinet. As you can see, it's got a door that opens to the right. Whatever cabinet is going to be on the right side is your right door cabinet. So obviously you would open it to the right so that you have access to it. This one is good because it gives you the option for a nice narrow small cabinet. If you have a space that isn't going to fit, another cabinet, or if you wanted to, say you wanted to do a right door cabinet over here and a left door cabinet over there, and then more cabinets to the right and the left, it kind of gives you a nice little tool to be able to cap off something if you wanted to. So we'll use these a lot in different arrays and in different orientations and stuff like that to kind of fill in space, add some extra storage. The only downside to these, other than the weird size, is there's no wall cabinet that fits this. So because it's a 360 millimeter cabinet though, you could double up if you wanted to. If for some reason you didn't want to do a double door or a single door 720 cabinet, or you just for whatever reason really wanted to do these 360s and do two of them, you could then do a 720 upper cabinet or wall cabinet above that. But these are a very useful cabinet. You've got actually a lot of storage in here. You've got two shelves, just like a regular doored cabinet. And because of the depth, you actually get a pretty good amount of storage capacity. Of course, it's got the typical MSS Plus style lock that gives you the key access as well as the number code. So this is a very useful cabinet that you can put in a lot of different configurations if you have a specific size requirement for where you need to fill in space and that sort of thing. The other thing we like to do with these cabinets, if you saw in the Atlanta garage we did, is you can actually take the shelves out, install your lift controls if you have like a Sprinter 7 or a Jumbo 9 or some other type of lift that has push button controls, and then you can install your control panel plate right into the front. Obviously that's a DIY solution to do that, but it does give you a pretty good option. So we'll spec that out a lot of times for people that we're doing cabinet arrays for.